Okay, here we are. We're going to do a railing fix. We had the bottom and the top part of the railing that were cracked and sagging, and so we have to make the bottom and the top. And as you can see, they're tapered at the end down to 3 inch. They slide into each side, and then they have the holes where the pedestals are 2 inch. So we marked it out, and we got a 2 inch bit that will drill down and clean the hole out for the spindles, and we're going down 1 3/4 inches. So we're doing all this right now first, and you'll see in the video. So I'm going to pause talking for a moment. You can watch, and then we'll get to the next part. As you can see, if you have a good bit, it goes through it pretty good. And these are actual 4 inch by 4 inch. They're not 3.5 by 3.5. So now you're seeing them with all the holes drilled. We marked them out so they're even, measured from the end. And so we were going to use this and taper it down, but we decided to use a 2 inch hole cutter that doesn't eat out the wood, but it goes around the outside. You'll see here in a minute. It would have taken too long to do it like this. Here we go. You can see the 2 inch cutter where it goes around the wood, so when we get done it'll leave a 2 inch round piece of wood. You'll see when it's done. It's a little tough drilling through, but it's not too bad. You just run it till it stops, and then what we're going to do is cut around down to it all the way around so we can chip it out. We just took the saw and measured where it came down to the top of it and drew a line, went back about 2 inches. And you can see now we're going to take, you can use a chisel or a screwdriver and just take and tap it in, and you'll see how it chips out. The ends are a little bit deeper on the corners, so you'll have to, we used a buzz saw, which you'll see, to trim it down.
You can use a sawzall to trim some of that. Turn it around until you get this.
You just keep turning it until you chip it out. But you can see when we get done, it's going to have a nice round piece to slide into the end post. And we have to do this on both ends, bottom and top, and then stain it and then put the spindles in.
There we go. That looks a lot better.
Okay, see how nice it's looking? And then, of course, we're not done yet. We have to go back, turn it around where the top hole is, and we angled all 4 corners. And then now we're taking this, it has a special bit on the grinder to cut the wood down to the 3 inch. It actually goes pretty fast. You have to be careful because you don't want to take too much.
Let's do it one more time. All right.
Yeah.